here is FX Milkers here. I want to show you how to trade the drop based drop signal on gold. First thing first, we have to have a liquidity sweep here at the top. See here at the top, there is a requirement that we actually need in order for us to put the trades. So we must actually have drop based drop, which should have a indecision candle in the middle. Then here's how we spot our indecision candle. It must have a wick. It's a last buying candle before the graph goes down. You see, it's a drop based drop. Here's our indecision candle here. Then drop based drop. Then another thing, we must have a break of structure here. Here's our break of structure. Then there must be change of character. Here there must be change of character in order for us to take our trades. Change of character took place here. Then when the graph goes to our indecision candles and touches it, that's where we sell. So we must have a fib tool in order for us to take the trades. Actually, our fib tool must be on a higher high and a lower low. Then if the indecision candle is in a line with our fib tool, premium point 71.5, 62 and 79, that's where we take our sell. So as you can see, when the graph touches our indecision candle, that's where we sell. And the liquidity was taken out again there, up at the upper point of 71.5. Previous point was taken out, which is the liquidity taken out. So we are confirming a sell here. So I took my trades here. Actually, I'm going to show you the results after some time. So this is how we trade our drop based drop.
Guys, here's FX Milkers here. As you can see, the gold is doing the most. It's going according to the analysis. Powerful things, guys. Powerful things, guys. This is proper, guys. You must follow the rules. If you want to be successful in this industry, you must follow the rules. If you follow the rules, you will make it. As I told you, it's going to go to my TP, guys. This is powerful. It's powerful. It's powerful, guys. Let's do it. Look at the power of this strategy. Look at the power of this strategy, guys. Look at the results. Powerful results, guys. This is proper.